Hello everyone. In this video we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use the filter tool in case of Alteryx, or what is the use of this particular filter tool. So this particular filter tool you can find out in the preparation tab over here. So this is the filter tool for filtering the data. If you want to see a specific data, for that purpose we will just input the data. We'll bring this input data in the new workflow tool. We will connect a file to this particular, so it redirects us to the data connection window, by which we can select the file. Click on file, click on select, and then we can select the file. So we will select this particular file name as Alteryx. Now it will ask us to select a sheet from this particular file. There is only one sheet in this Excel file of which it says. Click on OK. So now the preview is available for first cost. So as this particular file is having only limited cost, I will show you this particular file. So this is the file over here. Product type, product state, type, region, and copy set. So this is the particular file. I will just click on run so that the result workflow will be available at the download side. So here the results workflow is going to be available to us. So whatever data we have seen in that particular Excel sheet is going to be available here. So over here it is available. You can see this particular data. Now we will apply the filter. Click on preparation, drag this filter, and again we have to drag it. Drag this filter to correct this particular. So this you can find out that this is the input anchor which is connected to this particular filter tool, which is available in the preparation tab. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this particular filter. We have to click on run. So it will give us some error at the starting. Basic thing is that we have to apply a filter. You can apply either a basic filter or you can apply a customized filter tool. So yes, it is giving us some error over here, and the message is also going to be displayed one error. So that error is that we have to provide filter to this particular case. So we have to select the basic filter over here in the configuration pane. So over here now in the configuration pane we have to select this particular basic filter. We have to select the column state. I have selected. We will select the state and equals to. We have to put the name over here. Make sure that you will write correct spelling. Connect equal. So this is the state. We can now just click on run so that the state Connecticut data is going to be displayed in the results one. It says that it is been okay. Now it is going to say that T means true and F means false. So if I have clicked on this particular anchor over here, input anchor, so whole data will be available to us over here. If I click on this T, so it is having the meaning that true. So it is now going to show us only correct. So the state which we have provided the filter, it is going to show us that particular record. Over here we can also, so over here if we have click, so it is going to show us connectivity. So likewise we can filter it out. F means false, so it will show you hold it. True, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way we can filter it out. That's all for this video. Have a nice day.